the technicians checking my vision and they're like, oh my gosh, you can read that? I don't even know what that says. Just super exciting at that point, saying I can read super small again and with no glasses on. My name is Mindy. I've been at the Medical Eye Center for close to 26 years. I schedule surgery for all of our 8 surgeons. I have done a little bit of everything in this building. I ask patients to stump me with questions, and so far it's very minimal. When Light Adjustable Lens was brought out and the doctors wanted to start it 3 years ago, I was super excited because I knew it was for previous Lasik patients and I wanted to be their first patient. I was hesitant, so I waited. I had the surgery July 31st at 2:30. I had it at the end of the day so I could work, and I was back at work the next morning. During my procedure, I was actually awake for most of it. When the doctor tells you, the lens is gonna unfold, you're gonna look at a bright light, that is 100% true. No pain, no discomfort, just looking at a bright light and him telling me everything he's doing. Just like with Lasik, it's been life-changing. The best part is people are like, oh my gosh, you don't have glasses on. Dr. Oliva walking by and saying, pull out your phone, look at your watch, tell me what you can see. And just being able to pick up my phone in the morning and not have to fumble for my glasses is an exciting new change. Oh, and to wear sunglasses again that don't have a prescription. Now I can pull out my Maui Jims and wear them again. So the nice part is I'm done with cataract surgery and I'll never need it again. And my husband's actually wanting to have it done now. So he wants to do the same thing. I wish I would have done it sooner. Just being able to experience and tell patients what I went through it makes my job so much easier.